Hello, my name is Franchelle Johnson and today's date is September 17, 2017, and today I will be discussing the 4 different types of tissue in the body. I'm going to start off with the muscle tissue, and basically what this system of the muscle tissue does, it moves blood throughout the body. It also helps with food waste and also with body movement, mechanical digestion, movement inside and outside of the body. It also helps with posture and it produces heat. And there's 3 different types of muscles in this tissue. You have the smooth muscle tissue, which has to do with the digestive system, and then also it's an involuntary muscle. Then you have the cardiac muscle tissue, which helps with the heart to be able to pump the blood throughout the body. And then next you have the skeletal muscle tissue, which is voluntary. It attaches to the bones and also to the tendons. The next system that I'll be talking about in the body is the nervous tissue. It deals with the brain, also the spinal cord, and also the nerves throughout the body. It also has to do with the sensory input in our body, and it also has to do with our motor output, which has to deal with our central part of the body, which is our brain and our spinal cord. And then also too, we have nerve tissues throughout the body. We have the neurons, and there's so many different types of neurons throughout the whole body, and there's all different types of cells throughout the body as well. And the glucose and the oxygen also need to be able to survive in the body with the neurons. So the neurons needs the glucose and it also needs the oxygen in order to survive in our body daily. The next one is the epithelial tissue, which protects, absorbs, and it also is classed by different shapes. It stores nutrients. It's an internal support of the organs. It lines the cavity protection. It secretes, and it also helps with our sweat glands. It is also the outside of the body, and it also has a sensation. So anything we touch, is this part of the body we're able to feel through that sensation. Last but not least, I'll be talking about our connective tissue, which stores calcium. It also has blood-forming cells. It also helps with our immunity, and it also has to do with cartilage, support, and structure throughout our body. It has several types of loose tissues, blood vessel organs. It also is used as defense, and it also transports throughout the body. And some examples that are in this part of the connective tissue would be our nose and our ears. And another thing it also does is stores our body fat. So this concludes my presentation of the 4 different types of the body tissue. Hope you enjoyed, and thank you for listening. Bye.